It is March 31st, 2023, and I am calling the EV stock boom right now. BRDS stock. Birds Global just announced that they are expanding operations in 2023 with the change of weather. Stock up 20%. This e-scooter and e-bike company has had $25,500,000 in shares purchased just today. And Birds Global is not alone. It's not the only EV stock going up today. In fact, the CEO of EVGO just announced that EV chargers are on track to become as common as gas stations. You can quote him on that. Where do you go to put gas in your car? You go to the gas station. Where do people go to put electricity in their electric cars? They go to EV chargers. How can EV charging companies not be the next big thing? EVgo, an electric charging company with a 2.10 billion market cap and 68.45 million float, just rallied. I called EVgo in my previous video. You can check it out right here. Timestamp is 4 minutes and 36 seconds into the video. EVgo, I would say that we're again more likely to win than lose. EVgo still at about $7.08. So if you're scaling in at the lower $7 level. After yesterday's call out, $72 million in shares were purchased today. That's almost 3 times the amount of shares value purchased in BRDS stock, and that's why I'm even more excited about EVgo than I am about BRDS. EVgo had an intraday low of $6.98 and a high of $7.80. We are making money left and right. You just have to watch the callouts on the videos. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. But if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I was looking to buy EVgo. $6.98 was the low, $7.88 was the high as of March 31st. HD had also made about 8.6% on the stock, so he didn't get the full move, as we rarely get the full move, but he still made plenty of money. EVgo rallied 15% after our buy-in at $7. CEO confidence has acted as a catalyst for this stock, and that's why our traders are up big money. Super K999 up $6,255 in profit. KJ up $200. Captain Q up $1,002. Rocket App up $2,146 yesterday. Virgil Ewerson up $595. Join the Discord for free to get our callouts. Discord.gg/Coach Coda. Unlike other stock trading groups, we are actually here to make you money, and we only trade the best setups. I don't call out 10 different stocks. I call out 1 or 2 bangers that make you all the money you need to survive. Some traders have lost thousands on meme stocks like Bed Bath & Beyond and PYXS yesterday, which I told you not to buy in my video, and listening to bad traders. So if you want to make that money back, it's time to start trading better stocks. That's what you're going to get in this video. That's what I'm going to help you do. My name is Coach Coda. I've called 120 short squeezes within the past year, including PYXS when it rallied, including TRKA, including CURV, including AMC when AMC squeezed. You can bet that I have all the tools that you need in order to succeed in the stock market, and you're about to get them in this video. If you haven't already liked the video, please do so, because you're helping inexperienced traders get the guidance that they need in order to make money, and you're also saving traders from catastrophic losses. You know what it's like to lose that much money. Please be sure to like the video and join the Discord so you can be a part of a community that actually cares. We are going to go into the technical analysis of BRDS stock and EVgo stock so that you can make more money in the stock market and achieve financial freedom through trading. As promised, I did call out EVgo yesterday. I said, note, EVgo is my favorite play for March 31st. Stable, predictable, and wonderful profits await if the stock stays above $7. This EV charging station stock has the power. We like to have a little fun in pro. So make sure you're part of the Discord so you don't miss calls like this. Let's take a look at the chart. We are going to review the technical chart for EVGO and BRDS today. Let's start with EVGO. EVGO had an intraday low, as we talked about earlier, of about $6.98. So the stock was at $7, just like we said in the call out, just like I told my pro traders, which is why we were able to make thousands of dollars in profit today. So at $7, the stock started to rally, hitting our profit targets at $7.41, $7.87, and almost hitting our next profit target at $8.22, pulling back at $8.16. The stock is now, and it rallied after hours to about $8.06. So we're actually making even more money on the stock. We already took a lot of profits on this stock, so I don't recommend buying this stock late if you haven't bought it already. However, if this stock stays above $7.69, then we can see this stock continue and rally even further. I would definitely avoid EVGO if the stock pulls below $7.50 and stays below $7.50 in the foreseeable future. However, I also recommend selling EVGO if you trade it at $7.87, $8.22, and $8.49. Okay, so that's your blueprint for trading EVGO. Technically, EVGO can rally all the way to $8.98, but I highly recommend you take profits at the profit targets that I've explained in this video: $7.87, $8.22, and $8.46. So now that you know how to trade EVGO and you realize that EVGO is not a call out because the call out was already at $7, then we can move on to BRDS stock. Now, BRDS stock is definitely not a call out. I don't like stocks like BRDS. Why don't I like stocks like BRDS? Because BRDS is a stock which is highly volatile and controlled by institutions. Since the stock is valued at under $1, it's easily manipulated by large banks who can push the stock all the way down, hit your stop loss, scare you, pump the stock for a second so that you think that the stock is going to the moon, and then dump it all in the same day. So I don't need anyone who watches this channel to lose money trading a stock like BRDS. There's other irresponsible traders. I'm not going to name names, but you know who they are. A certain moon trader, alpha status stocks, they'll call out stocks like this, and I'll have no problem with it because they want to be able to say that they made you 100% or they made you 300% trading the stock, even though 90% of the traders who actually buy the stock end up blowing up their trading accounts. They don't care. They're paid off by banks. I'm not going to name names, but I know that they receive payouts. I've been offered payouts myself, but I never take them because I'm one of the only traders who's actually accountable to you, and I'm not going to sell for anything. BRDS stock, if that goes to 26 cents, it can be considered a fair value play, meaning that it can rally to about 28 cents or 29 cents. However, if we break the 30-cent level, then we can see the stock enter into a new zone. Okay, so BRDS can enter into zone 2. If BRDS goes into zone 2, then it can you can take profits at 33.78 and 36.83. I would be careful for 40 cents because that would mean you would be going into zone 3. But if we do get a break of zone 3 on BRDS, then we can take profits at 44 cents and 47 cents respectively, right before the 50-cent level is hit, at which point I would think about completely closing BRDS. Don't wait for BRDS to go to $1. Yes, it can happen. Yes, you can say that I'm a horrible trader for not waiting for BRDS to go to $1 if it happens, but ultimately I'm here to make you money, not to lose you money. So 90% of my plays have worked out. If you actually follow the way that I trade, you'll be able to make money so consistently that you'll be like the traders in our Discord right now who are making thousands to tens of thousands of dollars every single month just trading my call outs. So if you're serious about trading and you're tired of losing money listening to traders who don't care about you, then I need to see you in the Discord. Just click the link in the description and DM me on Discord if you want to join my exclusive pro group where you can receive my call outs and my mentorship directly from me, where I hold your hand through your trades. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?